This 2023 KZ Escape 191 BHK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used KZ is 22 feet 0 inches in length and features awning, refrigerator, stovetop burner, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, skylight, air conditioning, water heater, smoke detector, slide-out, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, front dinette, front entertainment, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2023 KZ Escape 191 BHK is 3,610 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.